Hello everybody, it is Adam from SoGoSurvey, and today we are here to talk about building your mental health first aid kit. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. Let's talk about these strange days. Even beyond the illness itself, COVID-19 has led to strange days of stress, anxiety, and depression for many. During such stressful challenges, it's always a good time to pause and take stock of our mental health first aid kits. To take care of each other, we must take care of ourselves, which starts with reflection. Let's talk about getting proactive. Managers and employees, students and teachers, basically all human beings today know that business as usual just isn't on the table. What then are you doing to deal with unusual business? In addition to informal water cooler or coffee break catch-ups, our team conducts regular employee pulse checks to stay connected. In a recent check-in, we asked our colleagues to share their strategies for taking care of their mental health. Perhaps this list will be inspiring for you too. How to take care of yourself. Sleeping more or sleeping on a regular schedule, showing appreciation and kindness whenever possible, starting and continuing an exercise regime, eating a healthier diet, learning something new, volunteering or being of service, regularly connecting with friends and family, spending more time outside, taking some time off, appreciate or making art, organize your desk, space, and life, create new traditions, celebrations, read, write, listen to or make music, practice or play a sport, share and express your feelings, take up a new hobby, set up casual catch-up chats with colleagues. Limit or schedule screen time. You can meditate, pray, or reflect regularly, practice breathing exercises, send real mail, or stretch or practice yoga. But what about watching TV or movies, scrolling through social media, or shopping online can be relaxing? However, overindulgence can suck your energy and leave you feeling even more disconnected, so use with discretion. In most cases, pets are a huge plus, providing structure and routine to the day, physical exercise, and emotional benefits. While there are plenty of other items that are probably on your list, that's the idea. Your list is unique, suited to your needs and your preferences. To wrap things up, if it seems ridiculous to have a plan to relax, do it anyways. For example, even if you don't have any major vacation plans this year, consider how to use those days off. You might join the Totally Made Up Day a Month club dedicated to the practice of scheduling time to take a break. Whatever it is that works for you, make it work for you. Is it really that hard to take a day off or to send a card? Nope. Just make it happen. Take care of yourself. You deserve it. If you want to learn more about getting proactive to build your mental health first aid kit, we have a blog about it on our website. Also, please follow us at SoGoSurvey on our various social media platforms listed down below. You can also connect with us at support1@sogosurvey.com. Thank you all so much for tuning into this episode. If you enjoyed this episode, please leave a like and comment down below, and have a wonderful week.